In this video, I will show you how to receive crypto on Crypto.com. So to do this, first go and open up the Crypto.com app. From there, in the home screen, click on Deposit, and here for what you want to deposit, select Tokens. Then select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive, or the one that you are sending from another wallet. For example, this can be Solana. So I'm gonna search for Sol right here and select it. So just pick whichever one it is for you. Then for the network, select the same network as the wallet you are sending from. So if on the wallet you're sending from you selected Sol, which in this case is most likely, then here also select Sol and click Done. It will then generate a wallet address for you, which you can go and copy and then paste it in on your other wallet that you are sending from. Then just choose how much you want to send on there and then send it, and it will then show up in your Crypto.com wallet. So this works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, with any cryptocurrency. Just make sure to select the exact same cryptocurrency and network on both Crypto.com and the wallet you're sending from. So that's how to receive crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.